Forget everything you know about the tablet versus laptop debate. In 2026, Samsung isn't just releasing a new mobile device, they are attempting to retire the traditional computer once and for all. Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you are currently holding an iPad Pro or thinking about upgrading your workstation, you need to listen to every word of this. The technical specifications and design leaks we have secured for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra are not just iterative updates. They are revolutionary. We are talking about 24GB of RAM, a grade 5 titanium build, and a display that finally erases the notch for good. Stick with me because I am going to reveal a specific feature in the new S Pen Pro 3 and the Neural DeX system that might actually make you sell your laptop today. This is the deep dive you have been waiting for. For years, Samsung has dominated the display market, but the Tab S12 Ultra is taking a quantum leap. The headlines are focused on the new Tandem OLED technology. While the competition has flirted with this, Samsung is reportedly pushing the peak brightness to a staggering 3000 nits. Imagine working on a 14.6-inch canvas that is brighter than most professional studio monitors. But the real showstopper is the end of the notch. Reliable industry insiders have confirmed that Samsung is finally ready to deploy under-display camera 2.0 on the Ultra. This means a completely uninterrupted, edge-to-edge viewing experience. No cutouts and no black bars, just pure, immersive glass. And it is not just any glass. It is the new Gorilla Glass Armor 2, which reduces reflections by up to 80%. This makes the S12 Ultra the ultimate machine for outdoor creators and digital nomads who have struggled with glare for years. Now, let's talk about the muscle. Inside the Tab S12 Ultra beats the heart of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Benchmarks are already surfacing, and the numbers are terrifying for the competition. We are seeing a 35% jump in multi-core performance compared to last year's model. But here is the kicker: Samsung is offering a configuration with 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM. To put that in perspective, that is more memory than many high-end Windows laptops currently on the market. This isn't just for opening more browser tabs. This is for 8K video editing, complex 3D rendering, and running full Linux kernel environments directly on your tablet. However, power is nothing without control. This brings us to the most significant software overhaul in Galaxy history, Neural DeX. Gone are the days of DeX feeling like a mobile version of a desktop. Leveraging the massive neural processing unit on the Snapdragon chip, Neural DeX uses on-device artificial intelligence to predict your workflow. It manages windows, suggests layouts, and even automates repetitive tasks within professional software suites like Adobe Premiere and LumaFusion. Samsung is effectively bridging the gap between Android and a true desktop operating system. It learns how you work and optimizes the interface in real time. Design-wise, the Tab S12 Ultra is moving into the titanium age. Moving away from armor aluminum, the S12 Ultra will feature a grade 5 titanium chassis. This makes the device significantly lighter while actually increasing its structural integrity. It is thinner than a pencil, yet more durable than any tablet Samsung has ever produced. The feel in the hand is described by leakers as impossibly premium, targeted directly at the high-end professional market. It feels less like a gadget and more like a precision tool. When you have a 14.6-inch 3000 nit screen, you need serious power. We are expecting a move towards silicon carbon battery technology, potentially pushing the capacity to 12,000 mAh. This revolutionary battery chemistry allows for higher energy density without increasing the physical footprint of the device. But the real upgrade is the charging speed. Rumors suggest Samsung is finally breaking the 45-watt ceiling, introducing 80-watt super-fast charging 3.0. This means you could go from 0 to 50% in less than 25 minutes. For a battery this size, that is a massive engineering feat that solves the biggest pain point for power users on the go. Let's talk about the tool that defines the Ultra, the S Pen. The S Pen Pro 3 is expected to launch alongside the S12 Ultra, and it is a game changer for artists. It features a new haptic feedback motor that mimics the drag and texture of different paper types. Whether you are writing on vellum or drawing on canvas, the pen will vibrate subtly to trick your brain into feeling the texture of the digital surface. With a record low latency of just 1.8 milliseconds, the delay is now officially invisible to the human eye. It is the closest digital writing has ever come to physical ink on paper. Pricing is where things get serious. For an ultra-premium experience, expect an ultra-premium price tag. Estimates for the US market suggest a starting price of around $1,299 for the 256GB model, scaling up significantly for that 24GB RAM and 2TB storage beast. It is a massive investment, but when you consider it replaces both a high-end tablet and a professional laptop, the value proposition starts to make sense for power users who demand portability without compromise. Furthermore, Samsung is rumored to include a new Pro bundle in select regions, which features a redesigned magnetic keyboard cover that utilizes a floating cantilever design, similar to the Magic Keyboard but with a much larger, glass-surfaced haptic trackpad. This inclusion would solidify the Tab S12 Ultra as a complete, out-of-the-box professional workstation for the modern executive. Before we conclude, I want to touch on the Pro camera system. While most people do not use a 14-inch tablet for photography, the S12 Ultra is being positioned as a mobile studio. The rear sensors are getting a massive upgrade for document scanning and 3D room mapping, featuring a new LiDAR 2.0 sensor that is essential for AR developers and interior designers. This isn't for selfies, it is for spatial computing and professional accuracy. Additionally, the new front-facing array supports ultra-wide video calls with auto-framing technology that can track up to 4 people in a room simultaneously, making it the perfect tool for professional remote conferencing in the hybrid work era. So, the question remains, is the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra the laptop killer we have been promised for a decade? Based on these specs, it is the closest we have ever been. It is faster, brighter, and more capable than most computers sitting on desks right now. It represents a shift in how we perceive mobile computing. This device isn't just about raw power, it's about the seamless integration of hardware and artificial intelligence to create a workflow that was previously impossible on an Android device. Thank you for tuning in to Tap Tech. We have covered everything from the no-notch revolution to the insane 24GB RAM leaks. If you found this breakdown helpful, do us a favor and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us bring you these exclusive deep dives into the future of technology. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Is 24GB of RAM overkill for a tablet, or is it exactly what you need to finally ditch your laptop? Drop a comment below, because I am jumping in to reply to as many as I can today. We want to know if you are making the switch this year. Stay tuned, stay tech savvy, and I will see you in the next video.